CRCL stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm gonna answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm currently just overviewing Circle Internet Group, I mean, yes, it's pretty much at the top of the highest highs it's ever been. And honestly speaking, I'm looking to just jump in on this bullish bandwagon even more. Talking about this before, like it was sitting at 77 bucks. This is like the first time I ever made a video on CRCL. And since then, it's been just beautiful delivery towards the upside. Like, look at this.
Obviously not gonna be
Sitting at 76, looking to take it to 104 2 weeks ago. And since then, man, this is just right here. And unless I see it pulling down into my demand zone and giving me some sort of a shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying, you know. And I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate stuff, but I'm not going to be the guy that's going to pop out here, you know, trying to force stuff or whatever. But yeah, like what I'm actually going to do though is just keep waiting for my rules. I do have a lot of previous CRCL receipts here in the Discord midterm results. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K when trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.